Something fundamental is shifting in the tech world. It's bigger than just layoffs. We're moving beyond the age of consumerism into a fascinating new era, Investicism. Think about the hiring frenzy back in 2021. Was that really about serving you, the customer, or was it an elaborate display designed for one audience, the investors? Now that the market has changed, companies are making fascinating and sometimes strange choices about which jobs to keep and which jobs to sacrifice. Let's break down why this is happening and what it means for the future. This current market correction isn't just financial. It reveals where companies truly place their values, and right now, their biggest value driver is simple: cost reduction and investor satisfaction. It seems companies are focusing on tasks they can easily automate out, the repetitive stuff, instead of putting resources into the genuinely creative problems that drive new value for customers. The layoff data is our best proof. The first roles to go: human resource and talent acquisition. That tells you everything. The massive speculative headcount chase is definitely over. The investment signaling phase is complete. The priority has flipped. It's less about building a perfect product for every single customer and more about optimizing the balance sheet for the quarterly report. Let's look at the customer connection. When we see mascots in customer service replaced by AI chatbots, it's a calculated decision. The company is betting that the cost savings outweigh the inevitable dip in customer loyalty. It's a trade-off. They achieve efficiency by automating the low-skill interactions, but they become totally unprepared to solve any complex problem that requires human creativity and comprehension. The same goes for creative roles. Content writers and copywriters whose work is high volume and formulaic are highly vulnerable. Why? Because the company accepts good enough AI content if it drastically lowers the payroll. The message is clear. If your job function can be streamlined for a quick shareholder win, it's on the chopping block. The only creative roles surviving are those focused on high-level strategy and AI guidance. So this is Investicism in action. Corporate strategy is shaped less by customer and consumer demand and more by the constant, relentless pressure of the investment market for efficiency and high margins. Companies are maximizing short-term returns to delight their investors, often at the expense of long-term customer relationships and creative innovation. The big question we have to ask ourselves is, how long can a company truly thrive when it's prioritizing its balance sheet over the real-world value it provides? It is a fascinating, if worrying, economic experiment. This entire shift changes how we view job security and how we should approach the market going forward. If you found this analysis helpful for your investment or business strategy, hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed and see you in the next video.